Yeah, so looks like today they really crop circled the sky here. And you see
Look, there's one doing it right now.
yeah, one right there. He's like, oh, he's like, they just put the ban on the
Look how bright
747s.
that is coming off of it at first.
Yeah, today's the day that Trump put out the ban against the 747 A and Bs or 7 and 8s,
But they're still flying.
but they're still flying. Look, X pattern. Boom. He's making it for us. He's like, hey, look, I could. You didn't fucking ban shit, motherfucker. I'm still up here flying.
Gonna have some fucking fun in the next
Yeah.
couple
Look at the sky. Looks like mini explosions. Don't breathe the air.
And here we are out.
Wear a mask if you're gonna be outside. People think this shit's a joke, but I mean, look at that shit, man. What the fuck? What's coming off those clouds? What is that mix up there? What's going on? Something's not right here.